Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix dark mode option is missing from your Facebook app. Okay, how to get back the missing dark mode option. To do this guys, so first I am going to show you. So the dark mode is on your Facebook settings, but when you open your Facebook settings, in the preferences section you can get dark mode. In case if you don't have the dark mode option, now what to do? To fix this problem, first close your Facebook app and clear the Facebook app from the recent menu like this. Okay, after doing this guys, open the Google Play Store on your phone and here simply search Facebook, and if the app update is available, first you need to update the app. Okay, after updating, open the app like this and go to the Facebook settings once again. Now hopefully this time it will fix your problem and you will get back the dark mode option on your Facebook. In case still you are facing same type of problem, now what you need to do, you need to open your phone settings like this, and in the phone settings go to apps and notifications and go to all apps. In the application manager, from here guys, you need to find out the Facebook app. Okay, so Facebook app is here, open it, go to storage, clear the caches. You don't need to clear the storage. If you are clearing the storage guys, remember one thing, after the storage was clear, you will lost everything, every setting of your Facebook app. So do it on your own risk. Go back and here you can get the option force stop. Just tap on it and click on OK. After doing this guys, you need to restart your phone one more time. You need to restart your phone one time. After restarting, open the Facebook app. Okay, once again same, go to your Facebook settings, go to preferences section, and here you can 100% get back your missing dark mode option here. Okay, so these are the easy and simple solution to fix this problem. So after doing all this method, your problem was not solving, last and final method is this guys, you need to uninstall the Facebook app from your phone and reinstall it. Okay, so this is the last and final solution. So that's it for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.